In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pin frequently visited sites in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and ready to use. If Chrome is already running, you can simply move to an existing window and continue from there. Next, open the website that you want to pin. You can do this by typing the site address into the address bar at the top of Chrome, or by opening the page from your bookmarks or browsing history. Wait for the page to load so you can confirm that it is the correct site. This is helpful if you want to pin a page you use regularly and keep it visible every time you are working in Chrome. Once the site is open, look at the tab at the top of the browser window. This tab shows the page you currently have open. Move your cursor over that tab, then right-click on it. A small menu will appear with several tab options. In that menu, select Pin. As soon as you click Pin, the tab will shrink down and move to the left side of the tab bar. You will usually only see the site icon instead of the full page title. That is how you know the tab has been pinned successfully. Pinned tabs take up less space and are less likely to be closed by accident, which makes them helpful for websites you want to keep open throughout the day. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other sites you visit frequently. Just open each site in its own tab. Right-click the tab and choose Pin. That covers everything you need to know.